Thoracoacromial artery anatomy. 7 questions and answers. Is the thoracoacromial artery a branch of the axillary artery? Yes, the thoracoacromial artery is a branch of the axillary artery. Does the thoracoacromial artery arise from the second part of the axillary artery? Yes, the thoracoacromial artery arises from the second part of the axillary artery. Is the thoracoacromial artery a short trunk? Yes, the thoracoacromial artery is a short trunk. Does the thoracoacromial artery pierce the coracoclavicular fascia? Yes, the thoracoacromial artery pierces the coracoclavicular fascia. Does the thoracoacromial artery divide into branches? Yes, the thoracoacromial artery divides into branches. How many branches does the thoracoacromial artery divide into? The thoracoacromial artery divides into 4 branches. What are the names of the 4 branches given off by the thoracoacromial artery? The thoracoacromial artery divides into pectoral branch, acromial branch, clavicular branch, and deltoid branch.